Angelica in Moscow, a story untold.
Hello everyone! Another day, another video of my life and journey here in Russia. So welcome back again guys to our channel. In this vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys the preparation and simple yet meaningful celebration of my birthday. Yay! And of course, because it's our birthday in the next 2 days, syempre hindi mawawala dyan yung parigalo ni Mr. So andito kami guys ngayon sa mall para magtingin ng mga damit for this coming season which is spring.
Befree нет. Another side. Yes.
Different?
Yeah, befree. Because we are here. Befree here.
We choose to go in a nearby mall lang kasi nga may work pa si husband later, panghapon siya. And good thing is yung mall na to guys is affordable price lang naman siya. And andito yung shop kung saan sakto sa size ko. I want some pink color. I want to try that one, pinky.
Very big maybe? Can I see?
Not big.
Looks big.
Maybe 38.
Да.
This one's 38.
38? Still big?
No. Still big.
Can you too? Maybe normal. I think it very well.
36?
36 size. Good, but depends for what.
What?
It's not about big.
So finally guys, I was able to buy 2 items here in this store, but I still need to find store where I can buy coat or something jacket. But for now, dahil nga napagod tayo kakasukat and di rin kami nakapag-breakfast bago umalis, so kakain muna kami guys, and syempre fast food na naman. Dirty.
Another size, a lot of
Austin.
sell here.
Only bread?
Bread.
And what
And
is this?
you put chicken.
And what's next, Eta? What's this? So after nga namin kumain guys, nagtingin-tingin pa kami sa ibang store, and ang problema nga is size. Dahil may work pa si husband, uuwi na muna kami, and medyo hindi successful ang aming shopping kasi nga wala kaming nabiling coat. Anyway, sabi naman ni husband is susubukan daw namin magtingin online kasi last year sa online din ako nakabili ng aking coat for spring season. On the next day, our plan is to go to the market and grocery store to buy products that I need for my birthday. I will be cooking at home and prepare some Filipino food for my visitors. What did you buy?
We bought our meat for your birthday.
Wow, we have some chicken there.
Okay.
Heavy.
10 kilograms.
So after guys from the market, we brought first the meat that we bought. Then we headed towards at the store to buy some ingredients that we need for those dishes that we are going to cook for the meat. I need some battle mushroom. Here, oh.
like that.
Actually, we already bought our regular groceries for home yesterday, so that we forgot anything that we need for the dishes that we are planning to cook. Alright guys, so we just got home from the market and grocery to buy some needs for the preparation of my birthday. Yay! So age is not important. So guess what? Or guess how old I am right now. So guys, these are the meats that we bought from the market. We have some pork, chicken, and beef. So I'm going to cut them. Depends on what dishes that I'm going to cook. So let's prepare our meat. So my husband will be the one to cut because it's quite hard for me.
Bones because.
Bones.
Нормально?
Da, normal na. I'm going to cook like KFC.
Why I will put?
Da. Fried chicken. KFC. Like KFC. But I don't know if I can achieve.
No, soft here.
Can I see?
Really like that? What's
Da, normal.
normal?
Why you are playing for the chicken? Very big. Oh. Mataba. I don't know yet how to what this.
You don't like to cut now?
Huh? No, because I was thinking still what to do.
What to cook?
The how
Sisig or what do you want?
the
Sisig or
or grill in oven. But
maybe not good idea if sisig.
but difficult. And the next one that we need to prepare is get a beef for my beef.
I will put it in the refrigerator.
I need to slice it more thinly because I'm going to prepare a beef mushroom. Like that. Here also. So we almost finished our beef now. So the next one that I need to slice is this one, pork.
Oh, still pork.
At dahil nga may time pa kami before his work, sinamahan ko muna siya magpa-trim ng kanyang hair. Suki siya actually guys ng barbershop kasi nga every 10 days is nagpapatrim siya talaga. And alam nyo ba guys, medyo pricey ang mga salon services nila dito, especially yung for female. Now I understand kasi dati napapansin ko kako bakit yung mga OFW ang hahaba ng hair pag uwi. Yun pala is may kamahalan talaga yung mga services nila, and I think kahit sa ang ibang bansa. Yun yung isang bagay na nagulat yung asawa ko dati dyan sa Pinas nung nagpa-barber siya dahil nga yung bayad daw dito sa gupit is parang 10 times na niyang gupit dyan sa Pilipinas. So ayan, tapos na actually yung trimming, may pa-extra service lang sila na massage sa ulo, and ayan, nag-e-enjoy yung asawa ko. And di din naman nakakaboring mag-antay dito kasi napaka-cozy ng place. May mga books na pwede mong basahin at may PlayStation naman kung may kasama kang bata. Happy birthday, self! So today is my birthday, guys, and actually it's weekdays, so it's working day. So now is magsisimba na lang ako with my mother-in-law. So I'm going to meet my mother-in-law in subway station. Then si husband kasi is nasa work siya ngayon. So, and dahil nga workday siya guys, so the celebration will be on weekend. So I invited some Filipino friends that I met here in Russia. So we have a simple celebration on weekends.
С днем рождения тебя, мой хороший, здоровья, любви, счастья.
So we are here now at the church guys. So di ako nasamahan ni husband because he needs to go to work quite early. So bali si mother-in-law na lang yung kasama ko ngayon, and actually this church is a Catholic church and nakailang punta na rin ako dito. Medyo may kalayuan siya guys actually, pero okay lang kasi worth it naman. Syempre pasalamat na din sa bagong chapter ng buhay na binigay niya sa akin at sa mga silent prayers ko na talagang hindi niya ako binigo. Ito yung turo ng aking mga magulang na pag birthday may handaman o wala, ang mahalaga is makapagsimba ka at huwag laging kalimutang magpasalamat. Hi guys, so good morning. I'm now preparing fried chicken for our lunch later because today is the celebration of my birthday. And some Filipino friends will come over here. Come close up love to see the chicken that I made. I will try to make it like KFC if possible. We're almost done for our chicken. Okay guys, so the next one that I am cooking right now is our spaghetti, of course. Look, this is Filipino style spaghetti. Sarap. There you have it, my Filipino style spaghetti. I think it's already okay. We need to remove. So this is my bread pudding. I am cooking also some pork barbecue here and chicken, but I'm going to use the oven. I marinated it last night. Oh, balshoy ka ba? Need separate maybe.
Oil. Very near, too much.
Chicken.
Here is chicken.
Yeah.
And our pork. Barbecue.
My first guest is here. Hello.
Мы первые, что ли?
Kaya kakapagod, ano ka ba? Hindi simple magluto. Pwede kumain na pala kayo. 50 minutes pa sila. Ay na, uy! Kinakain na yung sapatos mo. Niza. Kasi gutom na yan, be. Hindi pa nag-dede. Uy, picture na tayo ng asawa ko. Okay lang yan. Picture o video? Matri. Uy, unit. Uy, mark yung kanin. May kanin pa dito, oh. Magdudugot pa rin. Hindi, hindi suda. Hindi suda. Hindi. Magkaon tayong dahil. Hindi. Huwag malamig. Naka-dress, naka-t-shirt lang. Hindi naman malamig. Malamig na ba? Tumigas yung... Wow! Trika ka. I'm going to eat rice because how many days I don't eat rice. Ano ba yan? Yung asawang ba yun? Kumain mo lang sila. Kumain mo lang sila. Maribig, ano gusto mo? Rice? Ah! Oh!
Sorry, di ko alam.
Chicken.
Very dirty face. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Asa ba imo
And that's how we celebrate my simple birthday celebration. It was a tiring day because of cooking. It's not easy at all, but it's all worth it because my friends so much like the food and they said it's too much delicious. And thank you so much also guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Paka-paka. See you on the next one.
Bye-bye, friend.